Lay out stand parts. You will need a screwdriver. Gather uprights, base rockers, and large screws. Ensure the slanted edges are on the outside and the straight edges are on the inside. Fasten both uprights to the base rocker. Repeat this for the second side. Ensure the large recessed dowel holes face the same way. Gather the next set of parts. Insert into slot and screw in with long screws. Repeat this with both cross parts. Gather completed sub-assemblies. Connect the two completed sides using the long screws. The basket support is at the top. Secure the end straps using the small screws. There is more than one hole to ensure the basket fits snug. Adjust which hole you use as needed. Repeat this for both sides.
Now you're ready to place your bassinet in your stand.